hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat.
But are we really supposed to believe that a mad scientist inventor with a flying car just showed up on our doorstep after being gone for years?
Yeah, he does have a lot of really weird made-up sounding catchphrases.
Swifty in here, chill on the floor, time to get swifty.